Question number 15. What is the discriminant of 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0? You should know the formula of finding the discriminant. So we have now d is equals to b squared minus 4ac. So this is part of the quadratic formula. Now, first thing to do is identify the values of a, b, and c. So a equals 2, b equals -4, then c equals 3. Then after that, substitute to the formula of the discriminant. So we have now b squared. So the value of b is -4. So -4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3. So -4 squared is equal to 16. Then minus 4 times 2 is 8. Then 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Then 16 minus 24 is equals to -8. So the discriminant is equals to -8. Question number 16. Solve 2x squared minus 11x minus 40 is equals to 0 by factoring. So if you are going to use factoring method, so always start with writing two parentheses or bracket here. First term, identify the factors of the first term. So 2x squared can be factored as 2x, then x. Then identify also the factors of the last term. We have -40, so we can write here either 5 times 4, but be careful on writing the factors. So since the middle term is -11x, so if we will put here the 5, then here is the 8. So let's check if we will get the middle term is equals to -11. Okay, so we will assign now the operations here. So we will put minus here, so that we will multiply -8 times 2. So the answer is -16. And then we will put plus here, so that when we multiply 5 times x will be 5x. By the way, -8 times 2x equals -16x. And then 5 times x equals positive 5x. Then add. So -16 plus 5 equals -11, then just copy x. So the answer is correct. We get the correct middle term, which is -11x. So therefore, we will equate this to 0. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, to find the value of x, all you have to do, we have transposed this. So we have 2x plus is equals to -5. Then here, x is equals to 8. So by transposing -8. So this is the first answer. But here, we will continue by dividing to both sides. So cancel 2x equals -5/2. So this is now the answer. Okay, I will repeat. If you are going to use factoring, always start with two parentheses. Then start here. This is the first term. Factors are 2x and x. This is the last term. -40 factors 5 times -8 is equals to -40. And then to check whether your middle term is correct, multiply the inner term. That is equals to positive 5x, multiply the outer term, 2x times -8 equals -16x. Then after that, you need to add. Then once you add that, the answer is -11x. So it's the same here. So it means your factors are correct. Then continue solving until you get this value. X equals 8, then x equals -5/2. Question number 17. Use the method of extracting square roots to solve for the roots of the equation x squared plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 26 plus 2x. You will notice that the given equation is not written in standard form. So first, we will rewrite it into standard form. Then let us see if we can apply here the extracting square root. Now, x squared plus 8x. Then plus 10, we will transpose minus 26. Then again, we will bring 2x, so minus 2x is equal to 0. Then after that, combine like terms. So we have x squared, 8x, then minus 2x equals 4x, is equals to 6x, sorry. So 6x, then 10 minus 26 is equals to negative 16 is equals to 0. Now, let's do the, we can use completing the square here. So, we will transpose 16 here. So, x squared plus 6x is equals to 16. So, if you will use completing the square, although we are going to apply also extracting square root, let's see which part of the solution we're in, we can apply extracting square root. But the first method that we use is completing the square. We will use b over 2 raised to the second power. So the value of b is equals to 6 divided by 2 raised to 2 is equals to 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Then 3 squared is equals to 9. So the answer is 9. So which means to complete this equation, we are going to add both sides by 9. X squared plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 16 plus 9. And then, this is now perfect square trinomial, PST. So the factors of this will be x plus 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 16 plus 9 equals 25. So this time, to remove the exponent to here, apply square root property. So that's the time we apply the square root property. Okay? So, or extracting square root. We call it extracting square root in this part. So, cancel this. So, we have now x plus 3 is equals to positive negative 5. And then, the answer now, we will bring it here. So, x equals positive negative 5 minus 3. So, which means x equals 5 minus 3. Then, another answer is x equals negative 5 minus 3. So, the answer here is equals to 2. Then, here is equals to negative 8. So, that is the final answer. Then, this is the roots of the quadratic equation. Question number 18. Find the roots of the equation 3x squared equals 12 minus 4x using the method of completing the square. Again, the same in question number 17. So we will apply here completing the square. So all we have to do is we will bring negative 4x on the left side. So we have now 3x squared plus 4x is equals to 12. We will isolate now the constant term. And then, since we are using completing the square, see to it that the numerical coefficient of x squared is positive 1. In this case, we have 3. So to make this positive 1, we are going to divide all the terms by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1, so it will become x squared plus 4 over 3x. That is equals to 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Now, again, let's complete this. So, we are going to use the formula b over 2 to the power of 2. So, the value of b is 4 over 3. So, 4 over 3 divided by 2 raised to 2. So, we have now 4 over 3 divided by 2 is equals to 4 over 6, then raised to 2. So the lowest term is equals to 4 over 6 is 2/3. So 2 over 3 raised to 2. So the answer is 4 over 9. So we will add both sides by 4 over 9. I will repeat. So if we will divide 4 over 3 divided by 2, so the solution will be 4 over 3 times 1/2. So equals 4 over 6. Then lowest term divide by 2, divide by 2, so we have now 2 over 3. That's why we have 2 over 3 here. Then 2 over 3 to the power of 2, 2 squared equals 4, then 3 squared is equals to 9. So we have now from here, we have x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 is equals to 4 plus 4 over 9. So we added both sides by 4 over 9. Then this is already PST, perfect square trinomial. So we have now to factor this, we have x plus, so we have plus here. Then the square root of 4 over 9 is 2 over 3 to the power of 2. Then is equals to, when we added this, so the denominator is 9. Then 9 times 4 is equals to 36. Then plus 4. So we have now 36 plus 4 is equals to 40 over 9. Then here we have x plus 2 over 3 to the power of 2. To remove the exponent 2 here, what will you do? You are going to apply extracting square root or square root property. So cancel this, the exponent 2 and the index. So we have now, so let's bring it here. X plus 2 over 3 is equals to square root of 40. So we can factor 40 as 4 times 10. So we have now 2 square root of 10 all over 3. So we have now positive, negative. Then to find the value of x, we have transpose this. X is equals to positive, negative 2 square root of 10 over 3 minus, okay, so we have now minus 2 over 3. So this is now your final answer.